here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of a new cash envelope wallet. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that over the course of this last year, my husband and I have been working on paying down debt. And one of the ways that we do that is to do quite a bit of our spending in cash. And so earlier this year, I went on the search for a cash envelope wallet, and there are a lot of them out there. There's a ton of options depending on how creative you can be, how much you want to spend, and what's available to you. So when I decided I wanted to do a cash wallet, I went specifically looking for affordable options. As someone who is on a budget and someone whose focus is spending as little money as possible, I didn't want to, spend a ton of money on like a Filofax wallet or put a ton of time and money into creating something myself. So I hit up Amazon. I wanted it to be super easy to get my hands on, and I wanted it to be affordable. And ultimately, I found a wallet from a company on there that I purchased and I've been using and really liking. The problem with this wallet, though, is that I use it in my videos and then I have people liking it and wanting to buy it, but they can't get their hands on it because it's always sold out. This was a super affordable option that I found on Amazon. I did a whole setup video on this wallet, and I will link that for you if you're interested. But 9 times out of 10, when you click the link to buy this wallet, it's sold out. So when a company reached out to me and offered to send me a wallet, a cash envelope wallet system, I decided it'd be a really great idea because this wallet is another of the wallets I was actually contemplating when I did my original search on Amazon. This one always seems to be available on Amazon, it's super affordable, and it's very similar to the wallet that I've been using. So this wallet was sent to me for review. I did not pay for it. I wanted to make that clear. However, you're going to get my honest opinion, my honest review of this wallet. I'll tell you guys what I like about it, what I don't, if there's anything that I don't. But for now, we're just going to kind of get it unboxed and give you my first impression on it. So, all of that rambling, and I haven't even told you what this wallet is. This is the Conscious wallet. It's available on Amazon. It's really affordable. Comes all wrapped up in almost like a gift. It's really pretty. And if I'm not mistaken, it comes with the wallet as well as a little wrist strap and the cash envelope. So it's everything that you need to get started. So let's go ahead and get this open. The box is really pretty. It comes in this little gift box. It's a white box with gold lettering on it. It says Conscious Wallet, and it's wrapped in this pretty green bow. So this would make a great gift, I think. So I'm just going to take this little bow off. And we're going to open it up and take a look. Okay. Oop. So, at first glance, it is very, very similar to the one I've been using. It's very similar in size. It's actually maybe a little bit bigger, but it does have this great wrist strap, which I think is awesome because if you are the type to not carry a handbag and you just carry a wallet, you can do that with this strap. The strap does have a little lobster claw clasp though, so you can take it off if you aren't into it. It's got a nice texture to it. It does have Conscious Wallet stamped on here. Other than that though, it's pretty plain, which is nice. I like that it's just black. I don't know if it's available in other colors or if it's just black, but I do like the black. got a nice zipper on it. The zipper is sort of like a bright gold color, a little bit kind of brighter than the wallet I've been using, but I like it. And it zips really, really nicely. So that's the outside, very unassuming, kind of classy looking. Then we have the inside. So it does have the little rings to hold your cash envelopes, and the cash envelopes are here. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cash envelopes. It also comes with some budget sheets so you can keep track of your transactions if you so choose. It comes with labels for your cash envelopes. And it's got 5 fun and easy steps to use the Conscious Wallet. So that's what comes with the wallet. These cash envelopes are pretty unique. So they are this plastic material. So they're going to keep your money protected in there. It's not going to be a situation where you have to worry about it necessarily getting wet or tearing. These are very sturdy cash envelopes, and each one has a cute little design on it. So this one is little movie ticket and music and a little art palette. So you would use this probably for like entertainment money, I guess, or fun money. This is a little hospital, so this could be used for medical expenses. This one is clothing, so you could use that for a clothing fund. This is a little house and a little cleaner bottle, so this could be for my household money. This one has little bread and cereal, and so that would be good for groceries. This is bowling or a little microphone, so this I guess could also be for fun money. What is this? Okay, so this is a little car or a bus, so this could be for car maintenance or your gas fund. This could, what is this? Is this a tent? I'm not really sure what this is. This is a little bikini, so this could just be for shopping, I guess. This could be for eating out. There's a little taco and a burger on there. You could really do whatever you wanted with this one. It's just sort of a neutral design. This one has gym equipment on it. And then this one could be for pets. It's like a little pet food bowl and a ball of yarn and a bone. So those are fun. You could, of course, use them for whatever you wanted. You don't have to go buy the designs. You can just label them. But these are fun. So they are bright colors. They do open from the top. So you can put your money down inside there, and then they do close up really nicely, so you don't have to worry about them popping open and your cash flying out. In fact, well, it's taken a little bit to get it closed, but I'm sure once I got the hang of it, it wouldn't be too bad. But so you have 12 cash envelope options, and these will clip right onto the rings, and these rings are very sturdy. And they open and close very nicely. You can see that the envelope fits really nicely in there. You do have a pen loop, so you can put your favorite pen in there for keeping track of your transactions, which is nice. And then on this side, there's a little clear window to put your driver's license or whatever. That is one thing that my current wallet is missing and doesn't have. So I'm very appreciative of that. And then you have card slots here, which I'm sure you can't really see. It's pretty dark this morning, but there are 6 card slots on that side and 6 more on the other side. So you have room for 12 cards. You have 2 spaces here for cash if you keep cash outside of your envelopes. I tend to use this sort of thing for receipts in my current wallet, so that's awesome. And then there's a little zipper here to keep change. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I'm going to use this for a couple of weeks, and I will update you guys on how I'm liking it, if it's working out well for me, in my cash envelope stuffing videos. So you guys are going to see me use this wallet for the next couple of weeks. I will link it down below if you want to get your hands on it, just based on my first impression. First impression is that it's, you know, pretty good. I think it's going to work out just fine for me. It's a nice size, a little bit bigger than what I'm currently using, but I think it'll be just fine. I like that it has the strap, so yeah, that's sort of my first impression. So for my envelopes, I need a spending envelope, a gas envelope, an eating out envelope, a miscellaneous envelope, and a 2-bank envelope. Those are the envelopes I have in my current wallet. And my current wallet just came with these like paper coated envelopes. So these are actually an upgrade from that. If you like the design of these are very, very, very sturdy. So for personal spending, which one do I want to use? I think I'm going to use this pink one for personal spending. And it did come with this stack of labels, so I can label it. So I will just do that by hand for now. If I end up really liking this wallet and using it, I'll use my label maker and make some nicer labels. But for now, I'll just do them by hand. Use what's available to me. So this is going to be for my personal money. I'll go ahead and get that in there. Next up, I need one for gasoline, so I'll get that one with the cars on it. For gasoline. And I put it down a little crooked. Oh, these labels stick good, so make sure if you're doing this that you put it on properly the first time. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these envelopes labeled, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like at the end. Alright, you guys, so I haven't put all of my cards or anything, or any of the cash into this wallet just yet. All I did was set up the envelopes, but I thought I'd show you the envelopes I chose. So the one with the music and stuff is for my personal spending money. The one with the cars I've decided to use for gasoline. That seemed like an easy choice. The one with the food for eating out. This kind of red random stuff on it for miscellaneous. And then the one with the arrows is for my 2-bank. So overall, my first impressions are pretty good. It feels like it's decent quality. It's comparable to the wallet I've been using. These flaps and stuff are not like the highest quality. It's obviously not real leather by any stretch of the imagination, but for the price, I think that the quality is good. I like that it has the clear windows so I can stick my license in there, although I won't be able to do that for sake of videos, but for my everyday use, I really enjoy that. I like that these envelopes are a little bit more durable than the paper ones that I have been using. I'll be honest, I'm not crazy about the cutesy patterns on them. I almost wish they were just plain colored. That's just like a personal preference in terms of my style. You, of course, could make your own envelopes and punch them and put them in here, or go on Etsy and buy other envelopes if you know, you don't like the designs as much, or if there's not a design that really fits with your cash envelope themes. But I do like that they open from the top. That's interesting, and I like that they can close securely so that I don't have to worry about money falling out. That's a big concern of mine. Things getting mixed up. Of course, it is a little bit of a learning curve to be able to close them, but I think once I get the hang of it, it'll be just fine. It comes with plenty of cash envelopes for my needs. I only have a few categories, but obviously I can use up to 12 envelopes in here. I don't know if these envelopes are for sale separately, so if I needed more, if I could get more, I'll have to look into that and let you guys know. But overall, my first impression is, you know, a good one. I think I'm going to enjoy using this wallet. I'm definitely going to appreciate the ability to give you guys another affordable wallet option that's not always sold out. So I'm going to link this wallet down below. Check back for my cash envelope stuffing videos so you can see this wallet in action, and I'll give you kind of a thorough review after I've used it for a couple of weeks. But so far I am, you know, liking it. I like the little budget sheets in here. I don't use something like this typically with my cash wallet, but if this is something that you need for your you know, cash budget, I'm glad that it comes right with the wallet. So it's really everything you need to get started. This is a great wallet for a sort of starter wallet if you're just getting started with a cash budget and you're not really sure what your needs are. It's an all-encompassing kit for a really affordable price. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it for my first impression. So I'm going to link the Conscious Wallet down below. Like I said, it is available on Amazon. That link is not going to be an affiliate link. I'm not making any sort of commission. I'm not trying to sell you this wallet. I just want to give you guys another affordable wallet option, and the company was kind enough to send this to me for review, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what cash wallet system you are using. Are you using a system like this that came all encompassing, or did you put together something for yourself? Are you going super simple and just doing like a cash clip system? I'd love to hear from you. There are so many ways to go about a cash budget, so don't feel like you have to run out and buy a bunch of things. But definitely know that there are affordable options out there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!